Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to draw horizontal line on TradingView. Firstly, open TradingView and load the chart. You can either use the hotkey Alt+H. Click on the chart at the price level where you want the horizontal line to appear. The line will be placed at the exact price level. Once the line is placed, you can drag it to adjust the position vertically or horizontally. To move the line vertically, click on the line and drag it up or down. The line will remain horizontal, extending across the entire chart. To customize the appearance of the line, right-click on the horizontal line and select Settings. You can change line color, line thickness, line type, opacity, and visibility. Once you're happy with the appearance and placement of the horizontal line, you can save your settings or apply them to future lines. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.